A very good morning, aspirants. Welcome back to our channel MPSC Easy Learning, and this is Advocate Sabira Mistry. In today's lecture, we'll be covering the most important current affair questions from the 7th of June. Our session usually consists of 10 questions from specific Maharashtra, India and international news. And if any previous year questions have been asked on the topic which we are covering, we'll be talking about that as well. So let's start with it. The first news today is 100 Days, 100 Pays campaign. So this campaign has been launched by which institution? It is RBI, Reserve Bank of India. And whenever we study any campaign, we need to know what was the aim. Like, why was this campaign launched? It was launched to trace and settle the top 100 unclaimed deposits in 100 days. So this is the aim and it has been launched by RBI. Now if we have studied RBI, let's study a little bit of it from economics perspective. Some important points in regards to static GS of economics is, when was RBI established? It was established on 1st April 1935. And by the recommendation of which committee? By the recommendation of Hilton Young Committee. Who was the first governor of RBI? The first governor of RBI was Osborne Smith. And if I tell you who was the first Indian governor of RBI, it is C.D. Deshmukh. That is Chintamani Rao Deshmukh. Now, by C.D. Deshmukh, one more news which is important is Churchgate Station has been renamed, right, as C.D. Deshmukh. So Churchgate Station has been renamed on this person, on the first Indian governor of RBI. And if we see who is the current governor, the 25th governor, who is the current governor, it is Shaktikant Das. So these are certain important points from this news. Next one, a commission has been appointed to probe into Manipur violence. As we all know, in Manipur, violence is on the increase. That is the reason a commission has been set up. So here what we need to know, if a commission has been set up, who is the head of that commission? If you've done your previous year question analysis, you must have noticed on the heads of the committee, a question definitely comes if it has been in news. So if we see in regards to Manipur violence, the head is Chief Justice Ajay Lamba. Alright, and it is a 3-member commission. The other 2 members are retired IAS Himanshu Shekhar and IPS Aloka Prabhakar. And if we see from GS perspective, this lake is always asked, that is Loktak Lake. So where is Loktak Lake located? It is located in Manipur. And what is the capital of Manipur? It is Imphal. As we are studying committees, so recently there are some committees in news which you must know. So the first committee is the committee to ban cryptocurrency. Okay, a committee was set up. So who was the head of the committee? That is important. It is Subhash Garg. A committee to improve Manrega, the panel head. Okay, so who was the panel head? It was Amarjeet Sinha. If I say gas pricing committee, a gas pricing committee was set up. So who was the head? The head was Kirit Parikh. Energy Transition Advisory Committee, Tarun Kapoor. Here the trick to remember is, so the people who are young, they are known as Tarun, right? So young people have a lot of energy. So Energy Transition Committee is headed by Tarun Kapoor. Punjab Security Breach of Prime Minister Modi. The head was Indu Malhotra. This question also has been asked. And Pegasus committee was set up in order to probe into the snooping case of Pegasus. So the head of the committee was R.V. Ravindran. These are certain committees and their heads which you must keep in your mind. See, like I told you, a question on Pegasus was, I guess this is Group C if I'm not wrong. I found PYQ, so I put it up. So the Supreme Court has appointed Justice R.V. Ravindran Committee in October 2021 for which of the following purpose? IPS spot fixing scam? No. Pegasus Snoop Pro inquiry? Aadhaar card policy confirmation? None of the above. So it is Pegasus Snooping Row inquiry. A committee was set up and the head was R.V. Ravindran. One more appointment in news, first British Sikh to become Birmingham's Lord Mayor. So what is his name? His name is Councillor Chaman Lal. You just need to keep his name in your mind, that is more than sufficient. So recently, some appointments in the US and over the world have taken place. So these are certain important ones which can be asked in the paper. So the first one is first black woman on US Supreme Court. What is her name? Her name is Ketanji Jackson. A question on this has already been asked. The first black woman to appear on a US coin. What is her name? Her name is Maya Angelou. And if I tell you who is the first female Sikh judge in US, it is Monica Manpreet Singh. Another important one, first female Supreme Court judge of Pakistan. What is her name? Her name is Aisha Malik. Okay. These are certain names which you must keep in your mind. Next one, the first country to print warnings on cigarette. So which is that country? It is Canada. Here you just need to keep the country's name in your mind. Nothing more will be asked. And recently, which state has become the first state to have a center for earthquake safety of dams? It is Jaipur. Where is Jaipur? Jaipur is in Rajasthan. And what is the capital of Rajasthan? It is Jaipur. And if you see from geography perspective, certain important facts in regards to this news is, where is Tehri Dam located? Tehri Dam is located on Bhagirathi River. Hirakud Dam, where is Hirakud Dam located? On Mahanadi River. Usually this kind of questions are asked, like if a dam is asked, they will be asking you on which river is it located. So these are certain important ones which have been asked in previous years, so I added this. Bhakra Nangal Dam, if they ask you where is that, it is located on Satluj River. And Ukai Dam also was asked recently, so on which river? It is on Tapi River. And if I ask you which state has the maximum dams, it is Maharashtra. And the second rank goes to Madhya Pradesh and the third rank goes to Gujarat. This is in descending order. Next news, when is International Sex Workers Day observed? It is observed on the 2nd of June. And what is the theme? The theme is access to justice. Recently we saw when is World Environment Day celebrated. We celebrate World Environment Day on the 5th of June. And International Day of Innocent Children Victims of Aggression. When is this celebrated? This is celebrated on the 4th of June. Now if we see certain important days from May in order to revise it, the first one is World Anti-Tobacco Day. When is it celebrated? It is celebrated on 31st May. Labor Day, when is Labor Day? Labor Day is celebrated on the 1st of May. International Nurses Day is celebrated on the 12th of May. And International Day for Biological Diversity, it is celebrated on the 22nd of May. This is important. When is Commonwealth Day celebrated? Commonwealth Day is celebrated on the 24th of May. And what is the theme? The theme is Forging a Sustainable and Peaceful Common Future. These are certain days which you must keep in your mind. The next one, Mo Ghara Yojana. Here, इस पे कैसे question आएंगे? They will give you the name of the yojana. For example, Mo Ghara Yojana has been launched in which state, or which state has launched Mo Ghara Yojana? So there your answer will be Odisha. So it is the state of Odisha which has launched Mo Ghara Yojana. And like we always see, whenever there is a yojana, we need to know what are the aims. So the aim of this yojana is that the people who have less than 25,000 salary per month, okay, first criteria is this, and second criteria is if you have 25,000, if your salary is less than 25,000 per month and you stay in a kacha house, so then government will provide you 3 lakh rupees and you have to return that money in 10 years. So this is for house building. In short, these are certain facts you must keep in your mind. Now recently Odisha has been in news, so we need to revise that as well. So World Habitat Award 2023. So this award, which state received? Like which state received the award? It is the state of Odisha. Okay. And why was this award given to Odisha? Because in order Odisha played a huge role or to uplift the living conditions of slum dwellers. So that is the reason World Habitat Award was given to Odisha. And world's largest hockey stadium. Where is world's largest hockey stadium located? It is located at Rourkela. Where is Rourkela? Rourkela is in Odisha. And what is the name of the stadium? The name of the stadium is Birsa Munda Stadium. These 2 points are important. So the next news and the last one for the day, Junior Men's Asia Hockey Cup 2023 recently has taken place. So which team has won and which team was the runner-up? So the winner is India and the runner-up is Pakistan. And if they ask you where was this championship held, it was held at Oman. This kind of questions are also asked, that how many times has India won? So here you need to remember India has won 4 times. In 2004, 2008, 2015 and currently in 2023. तो इससे इंडिया कितनी बार जीता है? 4 बार जीता है. And who was the player of the match? The player of the match was Uttam Singh. These are certain important points to keep in your mind. This will be more than sufficient. इसके बाहर नहीं जाएगा पेपर में आपके क्वेश्चन. And here I mentioned the revision question. This was covered yesterday. Okay, who has been appointed as the Central Vigilance Commissioner? Option A, Praveen Sood. Option B, Praveen Srivastav. Option C, Surbhi Jadhav. Or option D, Rahul Patil. Do let me know the answers in the comment section. I hope you have liked today's lecture, and if you have any constructive suggestion, demands or doubts, do let us know in the comment section. I will definitely look into it. Thank you for watching. I hope you all have a great day ahead. Jai Hind.